Hey everyone, CTNtechnologynews here, and today I'm taking a look at the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system, iOS 7.1, that adds new features such as CarPlay and fixes bugs. With iOS 7.1, Apple has also tweaked its Siri voice assistant, iTunes Radio, and its Touch ID fingerprint sensor, and the company streamlined the operating system to make it work better with the iPhone 4, made some user interface refinements, and included some stability and accessibility improvements. Now the update is available immediately, and the Apple devices will alert users about it over the next week. iOS 7.1 marks the first major update following Apple's release of iOS 7 at its developer conference in June of last year and released the operating system in September. The software underwent a complete design overhaul, with everything from the typography and color schemes getting an update. iOS 7 also added some useful features like automatic updates, AirDrop, and iTunes Radio, as well as a new control center that gives quick access to most used features. Since the introduction of iOS 7, Apple had introduced 5 beta updates of iOS 7.1 to developers. Now anyways, with iOS 7, Siri recognized that a user was done talking because a person paused for a couple of seconds. Now users can hold down the home button the entire time they're talking to Siri, and once they lift their finger, Siri knows they're done talking. iTunes Radio also got some new tweaks. There's a new search field that allows users to create stations based on their favorite songs or albums, and then also users can buy albums with a single tap from iTunes Radio rather than only buying singles. In the calendar month view, users can now toggle to see daily appointments, and the Touch ID fingerprint sensor became more accurate with iOS 7.1. There's also a camera update that's specific to iPhone 5S users, and that's because the newer phone uses Apple's advanced A7 processor, while older devices have less powerful chips, because HDR or high dynamic range will automatically turn on when it's needed with the iPhone 5S iOS 7.1. Now probably the biggest feature that's been added is CarPlay. Apple unveiled this last week at the Geneva Motor Show, and the feature is a means for an iPhone 5, or basically 5 and newer, to power a touchscreen on a new car's dashboard. The interface is iOS-like, but vastly simplified compared to what's seen on a phone or a tablet. Functionality is pretty limited as well, really just letting users access maps and audio, although Siri can read messages and text dictation for responses. Let me know what you think of iOS 7.1 in the comments below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!